So we have one of the most customizable custom ROM I'm talking about. This is Project Infinity X, and this one is version 2.4. It's based on Android 15, and it's been some time since we are using this custom ROM named as Project Infinity X. And yes, that's one of the most customizable custom ROMs out there. With this new update, there are a lot of changes, a lot of new features. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Don't skip it because things are going to be quite interesting one. First of all, take a look at the launcher settings. That's quite similar, but you will find this option named as circle to search. It is available in this one. That's also optional. This is enabled by default and everything else is just similar. For example, you have home screen customizations, icon pack options, and so on. So same kind of options available there. But because main highlight was circle to search, this is what I just wanted to let you know. Circle to search isn't available. Try updating your Google app. This is a thing which sometimes pops up, sometimes does not. So if circle to search is not working for you, this is a very easy thing to do, that you have to update your Google app once and you'll be able to use circle to search. So I just updated my Google app in my device right now because circle to search is already available. Just by updating my Google app, let me show you. As you can see, circle to search is here and it is working fine. This is not a Pixel launcher you just noticed. This is a different launcher. So as far as I know, now it's quite similar. It's actually available for many custom ROMs. Circle to search is a part of many other launchers, not just only Pixel launcher anymore. Previously, it was actually Pixel launcher which was needed to use circle to search, but now it's no more needed. Another thing is bootloader is locked. The spoofing also matters a lot in a custom ROM. So in this case, bootloader is showing as locked. Also play integrity. That's also one of the most interesting thing to keep in mind, that play integrity by default is showing you basic and device and no strong integrity. But keep in mind that strong integrity is not needed for many users. Only few users needed it, but just using basic integrity and device integrity, everything seems to be good. You can use most of the banking apps and so on. You just have to do some things which I will let you know later on. As you can see, one more option which you will find is clipboard auto clear. That's available in the security and privacy options. As far as I know, it was not available previously. It can simply choose the auto clear timeout. It's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. And this option is so useful, named as restrict USB. Personally, I will choose the second option. You can choose your first one or third one if you want to. Taking a look at some of the options available in the miscellaneous settings. So for example, you have the same kind of options: ignore Windows secure flags, hiding the screen capture status, no storage restrict, application downgrade, storage encryption, spoofing, and so on. But here comes some amazing things. For example, in spoofing section, you will find the app spoofing, per app spoofing. What this is, as far as I know, this is regarding per app spoofing. So for example, if I choose this app, then if you have applied all the spoofing options, those will be applied to that particular Android app. Most of the times you need some Google apps. For example, if I choose the Google Keep Notes, as far as I know, the options available in the Google Pixel devices, AI generation and etc., you might get them easily. Not so sure, let's see. And also have the higher FPS in games and GMS spoofing. Everything else is just similar in this case. In theming section, you will find some things. For example, wallpaper blur and also the boot animation customizations. These are available in this new update. Although we have approximately 5 styles available and without preview. That is one of the things which I was actually looking forward to, because at least you need a preview for that. So unfortunately, there's no preview. It is what it is. So I'm not so sure about these boot animations. I'll try and let you know. And also taking a look at the wallpaper blur option, that's good. Also, it's not customizable like some of the custom ROMs brings you. This does not brings you the option to customize the wallpaper blur intensity, etc. Quick settings panel also have few of the tweaks here and there. And one of my favorite is the data usage panel. If you are able to notice, this is extended data usage panel. Personally speaking, that's good. That's very good. First time when I used expanded quick settings panel, expanded data usage panel was in the Corvus OS. It was a long time ago, around 2 or 3, 4 years ago maybe. But that was so good. After that, it was available in few of the custom ROMs, but now it's once again back with this extended notification, extended data usage panel. We also have the custom quick settings header images. If you need more customizations related that, you can use it. there are a lot of options available for you to customize. As I just told you at the starting of the video, this custom ROM is one of the most customizable custom ROMs. So yes, it is what it is. You can try out some more things. You can customize the quick setting tiles UI. For example, if you want to use Android 11 style quick settings UI, you can use that, and also have some quick setting themes options available. Some of the customizations, some of the themes, some of the things you can apply on other custom ROMs very easily with the help of Iconify. Iconify is here, that is actually a Magisk module, or you can say LS Force module, through which you can customize a lot of things on a device, and that is also updated with the latest version, which brings you the support for Android 15, even works with Android 16 beta 1 as far as I know. So that is good one. You can try it out for sure. You have some quick setting tiles animations available. This is how the animations works. Everything else in the quick settings customizations like brightness percentage, this is here. You can enable it in case you want to. I mean, all the customizations you need in a device, most of them are actually present in this case. Talking about lock screen customizations, as far as I know, we do not have any major visual change in this one so far, because all the options are quite similar. But what else you need? For example, you have the lock screen clock customizations and some widgets related, not the custom widgets option, the same options like which you have in Rising OS, Matrix OS as far as I know, and maybe some other ROMs. You do not have the option for that, but you have the option to enable the widgets and so on. You also have the option to enable the weather and else. So lock screen have almost same options. With this new update, we do not have any new or any major change in this one. Status bar options are also quite similar as far as I know, because we have same kind of options available. Battery styles are quite similar. I usually use landscape iOS outline. This is the battery style I'm using because I love this thing. So we also have the option for data disabled icon, which you can disable, which you can definitely disable. That doesn't look good on the status bar settings. In the status bar network or status bar data icon, if you're able to notice that. So all these customizations present in the Infinity Suite. This is available in the customization section in the settings UI. A lot of things are missing, personally speaking, as compared to some of the other custom ROMs, but also including that, we have some amazing options, a lot of customizations almost everywhere. Some customizations are not even present in some other custom ROMs, so that's good. In the terms of customizations, yes, there are a lot. Sidebar is also added with this new update. In case you use these floating window or sidebar kind of things, then this could be useful for you. Personally, I don't use it much, but it is there, so just wanted to let you know. We have some of the minor changes, some of the things which are lacking. For example, there is no option to preview the boot animation style. There is no option to configure the wallpaper blur style, but that's completely okay. That we have a lot of extra options available. If you want to try it out, you can. The link for this custom ROM is already available in the description. This might be available officially. This might be available unofficially. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.